Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get into your vehicle if your key fob battery is dead and you cannot unlock it with the key fob. So this is gonna apply to Volkswagen Tiguan made from 2009 and all the way up to 2016. So first step is to unlock this door. So this door is locked now and the skip off doesn't work. If I press unlock, nothing's going on. So what you want to do in this case, you want to flip the blade out and check under this door handle. There should be a little slot there. What you want to do, you want to insert your key there and you want to flip it. So now it popped out a little bit and you can completely remove it. And now you will insert your key and unlock it. So this is how you open the door, and now you can simply just start your vehicle. Alright, now in case if you have push button start, which usually it will be located right here on this vehicle, and again your key fob is dead, you will have to put your key fob here, right in this spot here, and then press the push button start, and then your vehicle should start. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.